Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play your own music in Need for Speed Heat. First, gather your favorite music tracks. Make sure they are in a common format such as MP3 or WAV for best compatibility. Next, create a new folder on your computer specifically for these songs. This will help keep your music organized and easy to find. Place all the tracks you want to use into this new folder. This simple step is crucial for the game to locate your custom playlist. Now, launch Need for Speed Heat on your PC. Once the game is running, head into the main menu and find the Settings option. From there, you'll want to look for the audio or sound settings. Within the audio menu, search for an option related to custom music or user soundtrack. This is where you'll tell the game where to find your personal music collection. It's usually clearly labeled, making it easy to spot. After finding the custom music option, you'll typically see a button to browse or select folder. Click this and navigate to the specific folder you created earlier containing all your music tracks. Once you've selected the correct folder, confirm your choice. The game will then scan and load your personal playlist. You might need to restart a race or event for the changes to take effect. Now you can enjoy your own music while tearing up the streets of Palm City. If you encounter any issues, double-check that your music files are not corrupted and are in a supported format. You can also adjust the in-game music volume to find the perfect balance between your custom tracks and the game's sound effects. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals. Happy racing!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.